This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your online status on the Indeed app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone opened up now and I am on the Indeed app. To enable or disable your online status, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then in the upper right hand corner, you want to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then next thing you want to tap on is Settings. Then you'll go down to where it says Communication Settings and tap on Communication Settings. And right down here, Show Online Status. Show people you message when you're on Indeed. When this is off, people you message won't see your online status and you won't be able to see theirs. You would toggle it on or off right up here. Mine is off now, and I'm going to tap on it again. Now my online status is showing. That is how to enable or disable your online status on the Indeed app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.